What almost nobody knows about hydrogen peroxide. Why didn't they tell me this before? Did you know that this product not only serves as a disinfectant, but also has many other uses around the home? In this video, I will show you the most practical uses of hydrogen peroxide that will make your daily life much easier. From surface cleaning to personal care, you'll discover how this simple product can make a big difference. This video is ideal for those looking for a quick and effective solution to keep their home clean and healthy. Watch the video to learn how to get the most out of this product. Hydrogen peroxide is a very popular chemical nowadays, as it has several properties that benefit our health. Although hydrogen peroxide is often used to disinfect wounds, it also has many other uses that you probably didn't know about. So, if you watch this entire video, you will learn several new things. For example, I will tell you what it is good for to soak your feet in hydrogen peroxide. Before that, let me show you some other tricks. 1. Disinfect the ears. To relieve mild ear infections or remove earwax plugs, you only need to add 3 drops of 10-volume hydrogen peroxide. Apply to the affected ear and let it sit. You will notice a great improvement. 2. Surface cleaning. Hydrogen peroxide is excellent for disinfecting surfaces such as countertops and tables. Simply apply with a clean cloth, and you'll have a bacteria-free space. 3. Whitening clothes. If you have difficult stains on white clothes, mix hydrogen peroxide with detergent and a little warm water. Soak the garment, and you will see how the stains disappear and your clothes regain their original color. 4. Disinfection of toothbrushes. Keep your toothbrushes germ-free by soaking them in hydrogen peroxide once a week. This prevents the buildup of bacteria and ensures good oral hygiene. 5. Plant care. Add a few drops of hydrogen peroxide to your plant's water to oxygenate the roots and prevent rot. This will give them a boost to grow strong and healthy. 6. Removes tough stains. Hydrogen peroxide is very effective against stubborn stains such as wine, ink, or blood. Simply apply it to the stain and let it sit. After a few minutes, wash as usual, and the stain will be gone. 7. Facial cleansing. Hydrogen peroxide is ideal for lightening facial blemishes, whitening armpits, and removing stains from hands caused by tobacco. Test a small area of skin to see if you have an allergic reaction. How to apply. First, wash your face with soap and water and dry it with a towel. Soak a cotton ball in a little hydrogen peroxide, apply it to your face, and let it sit for 15 minutes. Then rinse with plenty of water. Repeat this daily for several weeks until you achieve the desired result. Note: do it at night and avoid sun exposure. If going out in the sun is unavoidable, use sunscreen. And finally, one of the best tricks. Now you will learn why it is good to soak your feet in hydrogen peroxide at night. If you soak your feet in hydrogen peroxide before going to bed, you will reduce the bad smell in a few days. So, if you have problems with foot odor, hydrogen peroxide will be your best ally. Fun fact: foot odor is usually caused by bacteria in moist areas. This is usually more common in winter. So, if this is your case, put an end to this problem by using hydrogen peroxide on your feet. Steps to follow. Boil a liter of water and let it cool until lukewarm. In a container that can fit your feet, add half a cup of 10-volume hydrogen peroxide. Let your feet soak for 15 to 20 minutes. In addition to eliminating bad odor, this mixture helps soften calluses on your feet. When finished, dry them with a towel and repeat the procedure every day until you see the results. It is recommended to do it before going to sleep. Then, leave your feet ventilated overnight without covering them. Now that you know all these uses of hydrogen peroxide, tell me which of them you like the most, or if you had already tried any. If you found these tricks useful, don't forget to like this video and share it with friends and family. Subscribe to the channel and activate the bell so you don't miss more practical tips like these. See you in the next video with more tips and recommendations.